Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Mac.
And I'm Miss Chak.
And today we are in Tsuen Wan. But what are we doing in Tsuen Wan today, Miss Chak?
We're looking for food.
What kind of food are we looking for, Miss Chak?
We're having a plant-based diet, aren't we?
Oh yes, we are vegan. And today we're going to show you all the different kinds of places you can eat in Tsuen Wan, but they're all vegan food items. Before we go, they have to do something first.
Yes.
Subscribe,
Comment,
and like the video. So let's go, guys! Here we're at Teen Vegetarian. It's a little shop here in Tsuen Wan, and you can find it just outside the MTR station. And you can get certain things like chicken pot, which is one of my favorite snacks. Lots of chili sauce as well. You can also get other snacks here like siu mai, rice rolls, baked vegan meat, and it just satisfies you if you need something quick to get before your main meal.
Yuet Hin, one of our favorite places in Tsuen Wan. Basically, we can order cart noodles here, or in Chinese, we'll call it Zan Wo Bean. But what's so special about here? Basically, we have vegan options and vegetarian options, and one of my favorite food is the potato chips.
So crispy.
So you can order your everything on this form and send it to the lady, and they will happy to help you. Oh, Mr. Mac, you know how to read Chinese?
Maybe just a little.
Another great thing is you've got free soup. Yeah, it's nice.
I don't really like Chinese soup. But this is delicious!
So I bet you will be curious about what we eat as a vegan. But basically, we are normal people, but we choose not to eat meat. And here we have turnips, chips, and this one is like a fried gluten. We call it so'a, and they're delicious.
And even for this, we've got beef soup, but it's not even real beef, it's vegan. Delicious.
Welcome to Tsuen Wan. I believe this is one of the cheapest places in Hong Kong that you can get a $3 tofu pudding. This is cheap and this is nice, so I'm going to have mine now. Do you want to have one? I'm sorry, it's going to be in my tummy. Yes.
So what's great thing about being in Hong Kong is we have IKEA. Here they have a veggie hot dog that you can devour for only $7. So you can get tons of these, or you can just have one of these. So that's the end of our day. Don't forget to subscribe,
Like and comment.
and stay tuned for more videos. I hope you enjoyed our video about plant-based eating in Tsuen Wan. Bye everybody!
Bye.